In today's lecture, we discuss last three questions of the chapter linear programming. Then this chapter will be over. Hope that you had completed all your questions of this chapter. I am discussing the how you can form the inequations of these questions. Now see the question number 7 of your miscellaneous exercise on the page number 527. In the question number 7 it is given that an oil company has two depots A and B with a capacity of 7,000 liter and 4,000 liter. This question matches with the transportation problem as we have discussed the example related to it. Now there are the two depots A and B with the capacity of the 7,000 liter and the 4,000 liter. The company is to supply oil to three petrol pumps D, E and F. These are three depots D, E and F, where the requirement is 4,500 liter. The B requires here E requires 3,000 liter, and it is 3,500 liter. So total production is of 11,000. Again 4,000, 3,000, 3,500 is 11,000. If we supply X liter from here, Y liter to E depot, then there are total 7,000 liter produced at the petrol pump or the depot A. So the remaining one is supplied to the F, that is 7,000 minus X minus Y. Now here the requirement is of 4,500. X liter is already supplied to it. So the remaining, that is 4,500 minus X, is supplied by B to D. Requirement is 3,000 Y supplied, the remaining is 3,000 minus Y. 3,500 is requirement, already supplied is this one. It becomes 3,500 minus 7,000 plus X plus Y, or you can say X plus Y minus. These all are the inequations that formed here. The main thing is here the transportation cost. Language हम सारी यहाँ mention करेंगे that X liter be supplied from A to D, Y from A to E, and 7,000 minus X minus Y from A to F. Same from B 4,000 Y minus X, and from B to E 3,000 minus Y, and from B to F X plus Y minus 3,500 liters of petrol is supplied. These all are the equations. X is greater than equal to 0, Y greater than equal to 0, 7,000 minus X minus Y is greater than equal to 0, 4,500 minus X is greater than equal to 0, 3,000 minus Y is greater than equal to 0, X plus Y minus 3,500 is greater than equal to 0. Now, what is the difference in this question? Now I am reading the line here. We have to make the transportation cost. The distances in kilometer between the depots and the petrol pump is given in the following table. Distances are given to us. Assuming that the transportation cost of 10 liter of oil is rupees 1 per kilometer. Cost of 1 kilometer is rupees 1 for 10 liters, and for 1 liter the cost becomes 1 upon 10 rupee. So whenever you have to convert here, now from A to D distance is 7 kilometer, and there we are supplying X liter there. For 1 liter the cost is 1 upon 10 for 1 kilometer. So for 7 kilometer it becomes 7x upon 10. Okay, because 10 liter of oil is rupees 1 per kilometer. So for 1 liter it becomes 1 upon 10 rupee per kilometer. Another becomes cost is 6 A to E, Y upon 10, then is 3. So 3 into 7,000 minus X minus Y upon 10, plus from B to D it is 3. So 3 into 4,500 minus X upon 10. From B to E it is given distance is 4 kilometer. 4 into 3,000 minus Y upon 10. From B to F it is 2 kilometer. So 2 into x plus y minus 3,500 upon 10. It becomes transportation cost. So we have to minimize cost. Minimum cost is equal to this. Solving this, we get the objective function. Then we have to solve it. Only difference is there that we have to take the cost as for 1 liter is 1 upon 10 per kilometer. The remaining thing is same here. If we see the question number 8, you have to solve the question, draw the graph, find the feasible region, and then find the corner points, vertices, and then find at which point the value is minimum. In the question number 8, a fruit grower can use two types of fertilizers in his garden. Brand P and brand Q are the two types of the fertilizers. So make a table here for the brand P and the brand Q. The constituents are nitrogen, phosphoric acid, potash, chlorine. In a bag of each brand as given in the table, test indicated the garden needs at least 240 grams of phosphorus, at least 270 kilogram of potash, at most 310 kilogram of the chlorine. If the grower wants to minimize the amount of nitrogen, here we have to make the objective function based on the nitrogen, quantity of nitrogen. So we take only here phosphoric acid. That's the difference here. We don't have to take the nitrogen here. It's phosphoric acid, then it is potash, क्लोरीन. ओके, तो क्या देगा इसमें 240 kg of the phosphoric acid to 70 kg of this. The table is given to us. For brand P, phosphoric is 1, this 2, potash it is 3, it is 1.5, for chlorine it is 1.5 and 2. Total phosphoric acid required is at least 240, 270 at least potash, and at most 310. ठीक है, let X bags of brand P and Y bags of brand Q are purchased. Therefore, equations becomes here. The brand P in one bag it is 1, it becomes 1x plus 2y, that is equation for the phosphoric acid, at least है तो greater than equal to 240, then it is 3x plus 1.5y greater than equal to 270, 1.5x 2y greater than equal to 310, x is greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. We have to make the objective function, we have to minimize the amount of nitrogen. So यहाँ लिखेंगे minimum nitrogen. What is the nitrogen according to table? It is 3 in the brand P and 3.5 in Q, so it becomes 3x plus 3.5y. Then we have to solve the question to find the feasible region, and then according to what is it, we have to find the minimum value, where the value of that is minimum. By that we get how we minimize the use of nitrogen in the field. Now the last question, that is the question number 10. It is on the toy company which is manufacturing two type of the dolls A and B. So there are two types of doll and B. Market test and available resources have indicated that the combined production level should not exceed 1,200 dolls per week, and demand for the doll of type B is at most half of the doll of type A. तो सबसे पहले इसमें क्या assume करेंगे? Let us take here, let X type of doll A and Y types of doll B, यूँ कह सकते हैं, X टाइप नहीं, X नंबर कह सकते हैं. Let X number of doll A and Y number of doll B are manufactured. Total quantity does not exceed 1,200, means X plus Y is less than 1200. It's first one equation. Moreover, demand for type of doll B is at most half. B is Y, at most less than equal to half of that for the doll of type A, that is x upon 2. Second equation. Then for the production level of doll of type A can exceed A, that is x, can exceed 3 times the production of B by at most 600 units. At most can less than equal to. Means dolls of type A produced here is at most 3 times that of the B, and it exceeds by at most 600 units. So it becomes x less than equal to 3y plus 600. So these are the inequations, constraints we have formed here. Now objective function, what is saying? If the company makes profit of rupees 12 and rupees 16, now again they are talking about profit, means we have to maximize it. So maximize profit, z is equal to 12x, that is rupees 12 per unit is profit on doll A and 16 on the B, plus 16y. These are the equation and the objective function which is formed here. Solve this and find the solution. This is all about your chapter linear programming. So complete your chapter, prepare it. It's very important because I have told you in the beginning that 6 marks question always come from this chapter. So prepare it carefully. Thank you.